Hello, it's 2025 and I want to start and try and vlog a lot this year. So it's the 12th, I think, January, and I'm starting now. Tonight I'm going to stay at Mount Tambourine with my friend Molly, and I thought that it would be fun to bring you along. It's very not the best weather here, but I kind of like it. It was really hot this morning and I went to the beach, but now I'll show you it. Now it's like quite rainy. Welcome to a new vlog. I'll try and vlog when Molly is here, but I'm just waiting for her now, and yeah, so fun. This place is so cool. Like, look where I'm laying right now. It's so cute.
Hey guys, welcome to Ruby's vlog. I'm in it this time, you better like it.
To the pool.
It's actually like fully raining outside and everything, but the show must go on.
What?
I've done like 3 Pilates. No, you can't walk this. I want to be like not sexualized and like just be able to post. I just can't. Probs. I mean, you should.
We're both very tired.
Shoot.
Molly's made a friend. And I'm just sitting in here.
Enjoy. You too.
We're on the way to dinner. We're going to, where are we going?
St. Bernard's hotel with the dogs.
And she's wearing my pajama shirt.
And my Dr. Martens with socks.
And I'm wearing thongs. They're so big. Oh my god. They're real, by the way. Look at this view. This is so cool. Look at Molly. I got the salmon and Molly got the chicken palmy. Yummy. We just got back home and Molly's having a shower now, but I'm going to shower next, and then I feel like we're honestly gonna go to bed because we're so tired, and I'm really tired. But I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. I woke up a little bit ago. Now I'm back in bed. Molly left like 5 minutes ago. And now I have the place like kind of to myself, which I want to kind of maximize my time here, you know. I might go for a little walk around the garden, and I bought breakfast to have here, which I'll show you. And yeah, my morning view. I woke up with my period, so not the funnest thing in the world ever to happen, but at least I got my period. But I'll bring you guys along with whatever I do. Here's my breakfast. I'm just having banana, yogurt, blueberries, chia seeds. Yummy. Here's the end result of my breakfast. Just gonna eat that now in bed and get my day started. I'm making like a reel at the same time, but this is so aesthetic. I got a little coffee and a little situation happening. Yummy. I just pretty much got ready, like my face wise, and now I want to film like this, like a polka dot styling video, so I'm going to film that, and then after that I might like have a look around, and then I'm just going to go back home because I want to go to the gym today, and then my bestie Dustin is coming to make me dinner, which is so cute, and then I'm going on a Yochi date tonight with my housemates and Dustin, and then like this whole weekend will be so fun. So I'm going to bring you along for the weekend. Okay, I just finished filming and everything, and now I'm gonna go home. So goodbye little place. Goodbye, love it. So I slept. Need to clean up a little bit though. I am obsessed with these thongs, by the way. Like, they're so comfy and cute. Time to drive back home and then go to the gym and have a good Friday. I'm to the gym now. I think I'm gonna train full body. I need to take off this makeup, it's so gross. I might film a little bit at the gym. I have a pimple. It's perfect. Morning! It's actually been a week since I last vlogged. I'm very sorry about that, but I just had the stuff on. And it's now Thursday the next week and 5:20 a.m. and I'm actually meeting Ella for a walk this morning. So you guys will see her then. Also, before I go on my walk, I've been using like this Tower 28 spray on my face, like before I work out and after I work out. And I don't really know what it is, but it's actually so good. Like, it has like helped my skin so much randomly. Like, I'm not sure if it's that and like the other things I'm doing, but like this is supposed to take away the bacteria on your face, like that sweat makes. So it feels nice too, like nice and refreshing. Still quite lovely. It's a bit overcast. I want to show you my walking outfit. I'm back with my friend. We haven't seen each other in 4 days or something. Quite sad. How are you feeling today?
I couldn't sleep last night. I was up late thinking about things.
You're on the nighttime. Remember you used to like text me and be like nighttime vibes, which I knew like you're not getting up in the morning.
For the walk. I think it's honestly I've moved back home as well because I'm saving money to go on a European summer holiday. And I'm also planning to move to Melbourne. But no, I was up late night thinking, what was I even thinking? I keep making eye contact with every cunt that's driving past.
Okay, I'll end it here. We got matcha.
Yay!
Okay, I just got home. There's probably going to be a lot of switching between iPhone and camera because I don't take my camera everywhere. But I thought I'd show you some things that I got. They're so cute. They have like a hole for each toe. Then from this brand, Proteinola, I got this bag scent. It's super cute. I'm gonna take this to Melbourne with me. And then these jeans that have like a black. And then from With Jean, Ollie set lucky jumper. And you already know what I'm about to be doing. Just popped my egg on to boil. This thing is the best if you want to boil eggs. I also made a little yogurt bowl. There's yogurt, chia seeds, cinnamon, banana, manuka honey, and a little bit of peanut butter in there, and some almond meal. Also a cup of coconut water. There's my eggie. Black salt on top. Perfect. I've just come back from the beach. Wait, I want to show you. Shit. Oh my god. So I just finished my bathing and now gym time, I think. Let's choose a gym outfit. Here's the shorts. Yeah. Try and film bits at the gym actually. That water, like the water of the rain smells crazy good. So yummy water, like so fresh, like I want to drink it. And now it's sunny. This weather is crazy, but hopefully it doesn't rain tomorrow because I'm going to Kingsley. I'm back home from the gym now and I'm just gonna shower and honestly just relax and probably edit this video. And then tonight I'm going to a work dinner, which I'll bring you along. Just finished doing my makeup. I still need to do my lips, but I still have 20 minutes till I can leave, and I think that I need to choose an outfit. It has to be with Jane vibes. So here's what I'm wearing with jean top and shorts, and then I'm wearing these new shoes that I got from Curtsy I think it's called. Oh yeah, ready to go.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging. I'm at the work event now. This is Demi.
What are you vlogging for?
YouTube. This is Scarlett.
What is the vlog?
It's just
Ooh, cute. You want to pick one? No, that's not the cut. But Tammy's sober, so she's not going to win most drunk. Oh. Ready? The golden scoop. Amelia, can you even eat this?
Yummy. Into
Tammy?
your mouth.
No. Bon appetit.
Family dinner.
They're like not sponsored, but these are like the best shoes I've ever bought.
Not sponsored.
Good night, guys.
Good night. Happy Thursday. Alright, I live here.
Good. I live here.
I live here.
Scott's got her tits out once again. Whoa, they're really prominent tonight. Jesus Christ. Christ. Bye vlog.